Good morning. Today is about the response of the law enforcement agencies regarding the warrants of arrest issued by the Sitligan Bayan over 16 individuals. These individuals are Elizalde Zaldico, incumbent member of the House of Representatives, resigned, but former chair of the House of Committee on Appropriations. Gerald A. Pacanan, Regional Director, DPWH, Mimaropa, Region 4B. Jean Ryan A. Altea, Assistant Director, Regional Assistant Director. Ruben Santos Jr., Assistant Regional Director. Dominic G. Serrano, Chief Construction Division, Bids and Awards Committee, Chairperson. Felizardo S. Casuno, Project Engineer 3. Timohen Sakar, Materials Engineer. Montrexis T. Tamayo, OIC, Chief Planning and Design Division. Juliet C. Calvo, Chief Maintenance Division. Dennis P. Abagon, OIC, Chief Quality Assurance and Hydrology Division, Regular Member, Bids and Awards Committee. Number 11, Lerma D. Caico, Accountant 4. Number 12, Grace D. Lopez, Regular Member, Bids and Awards Committee. Number 13, Frederick Carl Camero, Vice Chairman, Bids and Awards Committee. Number 14, Aderma Angeli Alcazar, President and Chairman, Board of Directors, Sunwest. Number 15, Cesar X. Benaventura, Member, Board of Directors and Treasurer, Sunwest. Number 16, Consuelo D. Aldon, Member, Board of Directors, Sunwest. Now, next in the slide is members that have been arrested. Andiyan na ba? Give me the names ng arrested. Arrested so far. We have Gerald A. Pacanan. We have Jean Ryan Altea E. Alorin. We have Ruben Santos or De Los Santos. We have Dominic Serrano. We have Felizardo Casuno. We have Juliet Calvo. These 6 were arrested by the members and operatives of the CIDG. The last person to be arrested was NBI Director. Sino yung na-arrest natin under Abagon. Engineer Abagon. So, in your screens are the ones arrested so far. Next screen, please. These are the persons at large believed to be abroad. Number 1, Zaldico. We do not know his exact whereabouts. Number 2, Aderma Angeli D. Alcazar. She is believed to be in New Zealand. Number 3, Cesar X. Benaventura, believed to be in New York. Number 4, Montrexis Tamayo, believed to be in Jordan. Ladies and gentlemen, save for Zaldico, the other members who are believed to be abroad have made contact with our law enforcement agencies and expected to show up at the embassy and begin immediate repatriation towards the Philippines. They have done so voluntarily and informing them of their whereabouts, and we informed them of their right to proceed immediately to the embassy as soon as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the accused personalities. We have to make it clear that no matter where you are in the world, we will find you. If you are at large, we will find you. If you are hiding in the Philippines, we will find you. We have one, maybe NBI director can explain about the circumstance beyond the arrest of the personality.
Engineer Dennis Abagon was arrested in Quezon City after a failed service in his known address in Cavite. He was arrested on a Sunday early morning at Sikatuna Village. Arrested with him were the stay-in helpers or a couple assisting him.
Yung owner ng property.
We are into investigating. Reports were made that the house where he was arrested is allegedly owned by one vice mayor of Bansud, Oriental Mindoro. We are still verifying the authenticity of this information.
Ladies and gentlemen, basta po kayo ay akusahan ng ombudsman at binigay na ang information sa Sandigan Bayan at labas ng warrant of arrest, kayo po ay kailangan masaklaw na sa ilalim ng jurisdiksyon ng batas. Binabalaan po namin na lahat ng gustong tumulong, lahat ng gustong tumulong itago ang mga ito ay may kaparusahan na katumbas sa kanilang ginagawa. Our best advice to all who have outstanding warrants of arrest against them, surrender as soon as possible. Surrender to the nearest authorities. Surrender to the nearest police station. If we go on a manhunt after you, we cannot guarantee the results. For the sake of your families, for the sake of the country, surrender immediately. Thank you very much. Are there any questions?